Today, I'm excited to share some of the best places for Pokemon Go, including specific coordinates where you can find rare Pokemon and hotspots. Whether you're hunting for legendaries or just want to catch them all, this video is for you. Let's start with urban hotspots. Major cities are always great for Pokemon Go thanks to their Pokestops and gyms. Here are some top coordinates to check out. 1. Central Park, New York City. You'll find a top ton of Pokestops and a variety of Pokemon, especially in the evenings. Number 2, Millennium Parks, Chicago. A beautiful spot with lots of Pokestops and frequent spawns of rare Pokemon. Now, let's talk about nature areas. Parks and nature reserves often have a diverse Pokemon population. Here are some coordinates. Golden Gate Park, Francisco. Coordinates 37.7694 to 122.4862. This park is perfect for a day of catching and offers a variety of Pokemon. Balboa Park, San Diego. With beautiful gardens and plenty of Pokestops, this is a great spot for trainers. Now, don't forget about community events. Check local Pokemon Go communities for events like community days and raid battles. Some popular coordinates for regular gatherings include 1. The Bean Chicago, a central location for community meetups and events. Number 2. The Pokemon Center Tokyo, perfect for fans and trainers alike with frequent events and gatherings. And there you have it, some of the best places for Pokemon Go and along with key coordinates to help you catch rare Pokemon.